Many of us are afraid of geometry and mensuration due to the ridiculously large number of formulas. After watching this video, you'll be able to find the formulas for finding area of these shapes with just one basic concept. The very basic concept you need to know is that area of a rectangle is equal to base times its height. Its base is also known as length and its height is also known as breadth. So its formula is commonly written as length times its breadth. This very basic concept can be applied to all those other shapes. For a square, all sides are equal, so the base and the height are both the same. The formula for the area of the square is commonly written as side square. For the parallelogram, we'll do the same thing of multiplying the base with the height. In this case, the height is the shortest distance between the two parallel lines. The formula for finding area of a rhombus is pretty much the same as parallelogram. Now, if we divide a rhombus into two parts, we will get a triangle. So its area is base times its height divided by 2, as we get a triangle by dividing shapes like square and rectangles by 2. For the trapezium, the two parallel sides are not equal. So we have to take the average of the two sides and multiply the distance between them with that. The trickiest and most interesting to me is of the circle. If we divide the circle into small sections, we can arrange them in rectangle-like shape. But if we divide it into even smaller sections, we get a more accurate rectangle. The smaller the sections, the finer the rectangle will be. Here the width of the rectangle is the radius of the circle, and the length is half the length of the circumference. So the length will be 2 pi r divided by 2 or pi r. The formula for the area will be pi r times r, or as we know, pi r square. There you have it, one formula for all these shapes. Thanks for watching.